How to fix Intune App Error Code 0x0. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection, if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, go ahead and launch any of the app that runs on internet other than Intune. If app didn't work, that might be because of the issue in your internet connection, so you can give a fresh restart to your router. Likewise, open your settings. Now click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on Forget this network and rejoin it. Likewise, head back. Now you can switch your network. If you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. Likewise, heading towards other solutions, close this, launch your app store. You'll need to update the app to its latest version, so search for the app Intune. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down, open this option General. Now head towards the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Intune. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on this option of Delete app. Deleting will also delete all its documents and data. This action cannot be undone. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your app store. Search for the app Intune. Once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Intune App Error Code 0x0. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.